you doing up there, Caesar? Hmm? What? You love me that much? You're willing to die for me? What are you doing? Oh. Yes. Oh, okay. What? 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 Yes. Okay. Nice. You're a good puppy. Are you? Are you a good doggy? Oh, yes, you are.
Do you want to give me a kiss, Caesar? Yes, I believe. Oh, my sweet puppy. Yes, it's here. Kiss.
Yeah. You gonna tell the audience that you left meat on the counter today and you didn't eat it? Ridiculous. Something wrong with the dog. Didn't help himself.
Look at that sweet boy. Caesar, you're so sweet. How you can be so sweet? Ah. Give me pa. Give me pa. Huh? No pa? Caesar. You look. Bim, 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 bim.